Stock number 6301 for sale by consignment at Classic Auto Mall is a beautiful, straight and clean Raven Black 1964 Galaxie 500 XL convertible. Under the hood is a 352 cubic inch V8 rated at 250 horsepower with a 4-barrel carburetor and Cruise-O-Matic 3-speed automatic transmission. It has a Ford 9-inch rear and power drum brakes all around. The interior is in very good condition and the factory AM radio has been retrofitted with FM capabilities. Classic Auto Mall has more than 1,000 cars for sale via consignment in our massive climate-controlled showroom in Morgantown, Pennsylvania. Classic Auto Mall, a great place to buy or sell a car through consignment because it's safe, easy, and secure. Plus, we advertise, sell, and ship worldwide. Easily search for your next classic at classicautomall.com.